Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Messenger cache. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To clear Messenger cache, you need to be in the Settings app. On iPhone, you need to offload the Messenger app and reinstall it, which will clear its cache. So open your Settings app. Here, scroll down until you see the option General. When you see it, tap to open. Here, you have the following: About, Software Update, AirDrop, AirPlay and Handoff, Picture-in-Picture, CarPlay, iPhone Storage, etc. So from the options, open iPhone Storage. If you scroll down, you will see all the apps on your iPhone, so just scroll down through the apps until you see Messenger. Once you see it, tap to open. Here you will see the option Offload. So tap Offload App, then tap Offload again. When you offload the app, cache will be deleted on the Messenger app. Once you offloaded the Messenger app, just tap Reinstall App, and the app will be reinstalled. In Android, you can go to the app info page and tap on Clear Cache easily. That is how to clear Messenger cache. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.